Okay, welcome to another adventure with Utah Tenkara. I'm fishing in northern Utah and hiking into some brook trout and cutthroat streams on this beautiful late October day. So come on along. Let's see how we do. In case you're wondering, yes, this is another old closed off dirt road in Utah. I think I mentioned in a former video I'm noticing a lot of this. A lot of these places we used to drive to are just shut off now. So I am hiking it. Fish on. Okay, nice brook trout, late October. Look at those colors. Beautiful. Okay, using the Tenkara USA Iwana, and I caught him off of an egg pattern. Very cool. Fish on. Little brookie. Look how pretty that is. Took the egg pattern. Too fun. Too fun. Oh, darn it, that was the big one. Dang it. That's the big one of the pond right there, my friend. Yes. Okay, look at that. Look how beautiful. And yes, that is the big one of the pond I've been after. Oh, incredible. Thank you. This made my day. And boy, it's been hard too. They just take it and they just sit with it. So there's no strike really. You have to watch it. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, let's see if I can get another one. Got him. Another one. Egg pattern's working. Yeah. Yeah, buddy. Okay, another nice fish on the egg pattern. This is too fun today. Can't resist that egg pattern. That's what I was hoping. Oh, Tenkara is so fun. I hope you all will give it a try sometime. I really don't know how you do this with just a, well, maybe you could do it with a Western style, but it sure is a lot easier with Tenkara. I encourage you to give this a try. Okay, well that's it for today. I want to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos. I really appreciate it. And I hope this encourages you to get out and try Tenkara, because it is just a lot of fun. Today I was using the Tenkara USA Iwana, and I caught everything off of the egg pattern. So it was just a lot of fun. Okay, we'll see you next time. You ever wonder about the zen of Tenkara? No, that's it. Tenkara gets you out here for the experience. Nature does the rest.